Hey everybody, it's Ginger Birkenbiel, the CEO of Bird Creative, and I am up and down this morning, about to head to a client meeting. I just finished with my Yanibest Wake Up and Be Radiant. I think I mentioned I was going to try this last night, and I did, and I have not taken it off yet. So what I like to do with my hair bonnets is I actually wear them in the shower. Because luckily I have kind of shower that allows me to just clean my neck and my face, doesn't get my hair saturated. So anyway, I'm going to take it off right now for the first time and see what happens. And I know what my hair normally looks like when I take off a bonnet, so I'm kind of expecting the same result. I don't know if you've seen, hair like mine coming off of a bonnet, but this is nerve-wracking for me because I like to show up beautiful at every moment. I don't like to necessarily show people what I look like right when I wake up. Hence, I did put on makeup so I don't look too wild. So anyway, so here goes. This is the Wake Up and Be Radiant by Yanibest. And this, by the way, is the one that I got the scrunchie. So this is kind of cool. So anyway, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is kind of typical. This is typical. And I have to, what do I have to do? And I have on pattern as well, by the way. So that worked. This is definitely more stretchy with my pattern hair product, the new hair mask and the detangler. It's okay. It's not that bad. I mean, I feel like I'm going to have to spritz it, of course, and pull it a little bit. So anyway, so this is it. This is what it looks like. I didn't do too much, and I'm gonna try the other ones I've got soon to see what happens with this. I feel like it's tighter than the one I normally wear. I don't really have a lot of complaints. I guess if I were to compare it from my other one, this one actually maybe controlled my hair a little bit better. It still feels, my hair texture still feels moist. So that's one of the things it promises to do, to maintain the moisture. And maybe that's because it's tighter in the hair. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like it is what it is, right? Yeah, so there you go. This is the Yanibest Shine On version. Wake Up and Be Radiant. So we can kind of see what you think of it. I think that the hair turn, it looks all right. I'm not gonna wear it tonight again. I'm gonna wear a different one tonight. I'm probably gonna wear the Blissy tonight and see how that works out. So we'll see. But yeah, it is what it is. I think it actually works out pretty well. This might be my favorite. This might be my favorite. I have to tell you, this might be the best satin bonnet I've ever used, is possible. So I will keep you posted.